Welcome to the future of education. Introducing our groundbreaking AI-driven teaching assistant, AristAI. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your studies, constantly searching for guidance in a sea of information? Do you find yourself lost and without enough support, waiting endlessly for help from your overloaded teachers or human teaching assistants? We understand the frustrations students like you face every day. That's why we've developed the perfect solution. AristAI is here to revolutionize the way you learn. With our AristAI, you'll have round-the-clock access to personalized support tailored to your unique needs. Let us show you just how easy it is to use. Step 1. Simply visit cryptogevity.com on any device. Log in or sign up with your email to access the AristAI chatbot. Step 2. Choose a course you'd like to study and ask any related questions. Our AI teaching assistant will provide instant, accurate answers and even locate the answer within the course materials for you to review. Step 3. AristAI goes beyond just answers. It helps you visualize your knowledge with comprehensive knowledge graphs, PowerPoint presentations, and takeaway sheets. You also have the control to customize them to your own version. Whether you're studying late at night, need extra support for difficult subjects, or just want to reinforce your learning, AristAI is always by your side. With AristAI, you can expand your understanding, build confidence, and excel in your studies like never before. Experience the power of AI in education today. Visit cryptogevity.com or contact us to start your journey towards academic excellence.